Take a look, guys. The Dash almost reached the 151 on the Kraken, and it's exactly 18 level FIP. So I hope you watched the main video what I posted. Main video I posted 3 years ago or 2 years ago in 2023, I guess. And recent video 7 days ago, I post around here. So I mark. This is by the way chart on the Kraken, and this is how it looks like. Yes, everybody start thinking, so if the Zcash pump it, maybe the Dash, the Giant, all the DIN tokens, all of them will pump and follow the Zcash targets. So now I saw some posts about, oh, Dash 2,000, 5,000 confirmed, so it's just the beginning and all of this stuff. But guys, I heard the same stories here in Zone 21. So just be careful, with your own expectation. Is it possible so we can reach like 1,000 per Dash? Basically, yes, because everything is possible in crypto. And if the Zcash pump at 4,000% gain, so why the Dash can't? Everything is possible, guys. It's just hypothetical questions, right? Here, 5,600% gains, $1,000. So basically, yes, of course, it's possible, but you have to build a realistic targets. Depends of what's going on now in the world, and especially what's going on with the altcoins at this cycle. So this cycle is really difficult. You can find out the reaction almost touch the 151 global targets. I showed you. If you miss it, you can go and double check the recent video. All right, so let's focus now on the local ones. Let's hide this one and use this FIP. So this FIP, I remind you, is from the top of Zone 21. Let's adjust it with a magnet to the top to see the correct top. I recommend you go and check how to work with this FIP. Check the video. So usually, guys, 27 block playing out like accumulation zone. So here, top, support, bounce, and this was accumulation. Now I am marketing that recent video, so I believe when BTC dominance will be under 50%, for example, and I hope we will see that targets for BTC dominance is $293. It's more than real, and it's really conservative price targets for the Dash, like 1,500%. Take a look, the gains of the previous cycle from the COVID dump, it was like 1,300. So this is example. So not old, and not all tokens perform like crazy 50x or 20x or so. So this is it. So 1,500% gains, around $300 for Dash. It's can be the end of cycle for this one. So just I recommend you to, first of all, withdraw initial deposit after 100% profit on the spot, for example, or if you trade with second leverage, for example, you get a 50% profit. You can just take a profit, right, and move forward with the free tokens, or hold a position, for example. So this is a conservative one target and maybe the end of cycle for this token. But when we take a look now on BTC dominance, 59.38, so still over than 55%. So still over than 50%, not so far from 60% on a BTC dominance. So yes, we got all chances to see the pump on a BTC dominance once again to 64. That's why this cycle is so difficult, and the money rotating between the gold to BTC, from BTC to Ethereum, from Ethereum to middle cap, from middle cap to low cap, from low cap to the meme tokens. It doesn't work like the previous ones cycles, guys. Everything totally different. The world changed. That's why if you wanna wait some conservative price targets, $300. It's more than real. Also build a plan. For example, if the Dash will pump 300% to $300, from now it can be like around 300%, right? 250. You also just or withdraw initial deposit or fix step by step, right? And you can leave, for example, I don't know, 30% or 40% or 25% for extra profit. By the way, the 2.61 level FIP is around $1,000. And you can imagine if this cycle we will see the money rotating into alts and old tokens like Dash will perform, you can see the madness about just random numbers prediction about this token, because people who not buying here at, for example, like $20, they will start screaming when we go into the moon to 50 to 5,000, for example, to 10,000, where we will trade it, let's say around 300. So because it's not enough, right? Because from now to 300, it's like 250, and imagine from the 300, for example, this one to 1,000 is going to be the same story, 250. But for that, guys, it's going to be 3,000% gains, or even the 5,000. So that's the difference, guys. Everything should be in time. The entry should be in time. All right, so let's take a look, guys, now with my customer SATA, the updates, local one on a daily. So weekly and monthly I showed you. So let's focus where we can stop if we will see the correction deeper again. First of all, zone of accumulation is still relevant, 44.11. If we will see the crash for BTC, for example, to 85, 84 K, yes, alts can drop much harder, and for Dash it can be like minus 50% again. So just in case, so I hope you will be not surprised if we will see these targets. Let's double check the daily. Daily, we saw the buy signal was in June, step-by-step sales. Here was the last signal to sell, November 7. We dump it, and here, by the way, we dump it. Let me show you. Hey, come on. We dump it 50%, right? So why now we can't drop 50% again? For example, to test 44. It's possible, guys. Usually we walk like impulse, correction, impulse. And if this is already end of correction, the next step, guys, you know, it will be 160. After that, 196, 250, 293. So you can track that targets. Let's check the weekly. We almost closed the full fill of that gap. 52, it's a full fill. Under is only this gap. So I don't think so we will drop to under $30, but it's possible. It's still possible. 12-hour time frame. So just nothing. Here is a sell, no signal for take profit. You know, take profit, we need to see something like this one. Sell and take profit signal. Here's a buy, close position. So sell, step by step. Here's the only buybacks, no main signal to buy again. 4-hour time frame also. Sell signal was here in November 4. After that, November 7. Now only the buybacks. So I recommend you track also the lower time frames. Dashboard, guys, it's a brand new indicator what I added to my set. You can check all in once, right? Just add the time frame what you like to track, and track in just pretty good dashboard on your screen. This is a 12-hour time frame. Accumulation, distribution, now in the middle. Daily, it was the warranty. Usually we form the three tops, if you didn't know here. That's why I guess the bigger sales will be when we will pass the 200. So for accumulation, if you want to buy Dash again, you can accumulate or now with the target if we will see the 300, but you have to understand the risk. And if you not feel comfortable accumulate the Dash at 87, of course you can skip it and wait 44 or 11 or this range, right? If the token not drop to this zone of interest, you just choose another one. It's pretty simple, guys. Don't fall in love in any tokens because the people sometimes cry when they miss the entry in some token. It's okay. You can't buy every single token. Weekly, by the way, we also formatted the warranty. It was December 24. Nice one. Nice. And it's kind of scary. And at least we didn't see the warranty globally. All right, it's good. So I hope we will not see the warranty monthly, guys, because it's going to be pretty mind-blowing. If from now we drop like this one, for example, it's going to be just a craziness. Just to be honest, it's going to be really craziness. I hope we will not see that warranty on a monthly. That's why locally targets I showed you. Let's focus now on market mode, guys. After aphasia, we drop to the optimism zone. It's a hopium, some hopium weekly aphasia. It's kind of bad because, you know, we're not pumped that hard. Wow, nice one. Why not that hard? 763%. So I hope you fixed the profit, some profit. And the monthly, what is good, guys? Compare the cycles here. This was an aphasia in December 17. We end the cycle in hope. I hope this cycle we will not end in hope. I hope we will see the aphasia. Because if this 700%, it's end of cycle like it was here, it's so sad, guys. So sad. That's why I hope we will see at least the third wave up to 300. Let's double check. Money power. On the daily, money outflow, now nothing, no money inflow. Weekly, no money outflow yet. 12 time frame, money outflow, money in, bounce, now nothing. So I recommend you track even with the signals. You know, just alerts, with not a signal, just alerts, and take profit, guys. The last indicator, daily. We trade over exit line, guys. It's time to fix the profit usually. On the daily, on the weekly also. And the monthly, yes, on the monthly we reject exit line and the take profit line. So guys, I have a bad news. If this is just a end of this cycle in this way, only like 700%, yes, we're gonna drop on the like $30 for sure, but I hope not. I hope we'll recover back at least to 300. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment what is your realistic target for Dash. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show them this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matekam channel. See you next time, guys.